Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we will be making some pretty awesome pizza. So we'll start off with some nice pizza dough and we're gonna make some pizza. So let's get started with that. Okay, so 2 1/3 of a cup of flour. Okay, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, 1 package of yeast. Okay, all right. Now, I gotta mix. Yeah, we're making pizza. You know what we're gonna make? We're gonna make a square pizza. I actually don't have a round pizza pan, but if you don't, like I do, you can use a square one. That's totally fine. You can use that for pizza. It'll be more of a flatter style pizza, I guess more of a flatbread style pizza, but this is totally fine. So, because I only have a square pan, the circular pan is on my list of things to get, so maybe I'll do another video with the proper pizza pan eventually, but do a square one, it's fine. 3/4 cup of water. Alright. Yeah, so it's really important for yeast that you want warm water. You don't want hot water because that'll kill the yeast, so you want to make sure your water is nice, like kind of a nice warm bath, but warm, not hot. Okay. So that's good. So we're going to dump our water. It's all going to be combined anyway, so it's all good. We're just going to make a well here. The warm water inside. Okay. Okay. And we're going to dump our oil inside. That was 3/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, we're going to toss that in there. Yeah, making pizza or pizza dough is actually not too hard. So yeah, just mix it up until it kind of forms a little dough. What we'll do now. Okay, so make sure you work clean. It's important. Okay. Sanitize the counter. It's all nice and clean. Okay. This is almost forming a dough. That's fine. What you want. Okay. I figured for Easter Sunday it'd be a nice lunch to have some pizza. So that's what we're making for lunch. Alright. This isn't pasta dough. This is pizza. Mix our dough. Make sure your hands are clean. Not a lot. Just help it out here. They won't stick to your hands. Like so that. Alright, now we're that. Alright, olive oil into the bowl. Okay. Push all around. Okay. A little more olive oil. Okay. These on your hands. And all around this dough. Okay. Voila. Now, we're gonna keep this dough in there. Let this guy rise for 30 minutes. So we'll do that, come back, and he will be happy. So show you all trick for this one. A little bit of plastic wrap on top, like so. Yeah, just so it's sort of covering this little dough a little bit there. That's fine. Okay. A warm damp towel. And I'm just going to throw Mr. Towel onto the dough, and he's going to rise for half hour. And then when we come back, we'll start assembling the pizza, throw it in the oven, and we get pizza. Alright. So when we completed our dough, and he's risen pretty nicely. So now, show you what we're going to do now. Get our pizza going. Alright, so we'll put the dough over here. Okay. Grab Mr. Dough. See how I'm kind of letting them go out. Okay, put them on the pan. Okay, spread them out. It's a nice dough here. Okay. I was trying to help him out. God, no. Oh, you gotta preheat the oven. Yeah, it's kind of get them to spread out on the sides. And you want to make sure you get a crust on there. Okay, spread them out to the sides. So, preheat our oven, 425. Okay, a little bit more olive oil. Poke a few holes in there. Chop, chop. There's a couple holes in there. My intuition is telling me to do that. Don't ask me why. But you know, I'm good in the kitchen. All right. Pastry brush and brush the olive oil. I guess you can put olive oil around the crust as well. Very good. Okay. A fucking oil problem, and then I can't open the jar. Sucks. Oh well. That's the trick of opening a jar. A kitchen hack. There we go. All right. Sauce. I'll put some sauce on there. Pizza sauce. Be generous. It's pizza sauce. Okay. Yeah, just spread it all around the sides of the. If you didn't know, I worked in my cooking career. I actually worked in 30 pizza places, right? So there's definitely a thing or two I know about pizza because I worked in some of these places. So a little bit of cheese on the bottom, and of course we're gonna put, you know, generous layer on top as well. Put a few on the bottom. Okay, we got our pizza snacking pizza pack there. Some meat. That's ham, salami, and pepperoni. You can go fancier. You can buy prosciutto. You can buy more expensive stuff. I just bought this, you know, kind of, I guess, the economical stuff. So there you go. But yeah, feel free to switch it up. You can do like all kinds of veggies. You can do like all kinds of stuff with this pizza. So be creative. I'm not being cheap, just on a bit of a budget, so I just figured I'd just do a few of these. I probably would have gone crazy with prosciutto and some of my other favorite sliced meats, which is capicola is really good. Leoner sausage, really good on pizza. So yeah, be creative. Have fun, be creative. All right. Now we need that pepperoni. Playing with the meat here. Okay, cool. Always playing with the meat. All right. Toss some onions. Love the onions. All right. Can't have pizza without onions. All right, so toss some beautiful onions on there. Okay. Spread them out. Be generous. Mm-hmm. Who doesn't love onions on pizza? You don't get out of here. You know. I like onions. Cheese. Perfect. Oh, I'll put fresh tomatoes on after. So that's fresh tomatoes. And be creative with toppings. You can go crazy with toppings. Some say it's a sin to put pineapple on pizza. I love pineapple on pizza. So we're going to put some pineapple in here. I opened pineapple yesterday. Well, we got to use her up, huh? All right. Yeah, be creative with the pizza. You can put on whatever you would like. So mushrooms are good on pizza. One of my favorite. Green peppers. I guess I should have went to the produce section and bought some more stuff, but you know what? You can work with what you have. That's good. Okay. Generous amount on top. I'm not sure if I've ever made a pizza from scratch at home, or maybe I haven't. It's been a long while, but my channel doesn't have a pizza, so now we have a pizza. It's all ready for the oven. Some capers on the pizza. I love capers. Capers are just capers, you know. Throw them on pizza. Go crazy. Smoked salmon on here too. Mm-hmm. As I said, Beaumont style pizza. Yeah, feel free if you have something you like in the kitchen there, throw it on your pizza. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's wait for the oven to preheat. We'll toss her in the oven. Toss the pizza into the oven. All right. Hi. Into the oven. So it's all golden brown. 12 minutes. Should be good. 12 to 15 minutes. So check it out when it's all nicely colored brown, and we should be good. Now we're going to pull the pizza out of the oven. She's looking good. Alright. Okay. Beaumont style pizza right there. Mm-hmm. Ooh, it's going to be a nice lunch. Can't wait. And that's what you want. You want the golden brown crust, right? Yummy, yummy. It's gonna let the pizza cool and we'll give it a try. Alright, give the pizza a try. Yummy, yummy. Oh, lovely pizza. Wow. That's good. The bomb huh? What you're looking for. Wow. That. Some amazing pizza. Homemade pizza. Not like it. I'm gonna run away. This is my lunch. Anyone can make pizza at home from scratch. Give it a try. It's so good. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you next time. Love ya.